Okay, the first exercise that we have is to calculate the molarity. In this case, we need to calculate the molarity of a solution of sulfuric acid. We have 0.98 grams of sulfuric acid in the solution, and we have 25 centimeters cube of the solution. So which is the molarity? We know that the definition of molarity is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter or 1 decimeter cube of solution. So we need to calculate how many moles we have and how many um, milliliters or how many liters we have in the 25 centimeters cube, and then apply it to the formula. Or we can directly calculate that within the formula. So the first thing that we're going to do is pass the 0.98 grams of sulfuric acid into moles. Okay, so we know that 98 grams of sulfuric acid is going to be 1 mole. So 0.98 grams is going to be X, and X is going to be 0.01 mole of sulfuric acid. So we have already the number that is going to go at the top of the formula. Now we need to second pass the volume from centimeters cube or milliliters to decimeter cube. And we know that for that we have to divide by 1000, because every 1000 centimeters cube will have 1 decimeter cube. So we know that 1000 centimeters cube, if you don't know if we need to divide or not, 1000 centimeters cube is 1 decimeter cube. So 25 is going to be X, and if you calculate that, X, which is going to be the volume, is 0.025 decimeters cube. Okay, that is the second part that we need for calculating this. Now, what we are going to do is to plug in the numbers in the formula. So the third is calculate the molarity. And molarity is equals to the number of moles divided by the volume in decimeter cube or liters. So number of moles, 0.01 moles, and decimeter cube, the volume in decimeter cube is 0.025 decimeter cube. If my calculations are not wrong, the molarity is going to give you 0.4 molar. It means that in 1 liter, we are going to have 0.4 moles of sulfuric acid. Okay, you may think that this that takes 3 steps to do can be done easier, and actually you are right. You can apply directly the formula. The molarity is equals to the number of moles. In this case, we don't have number of moles. We have 0.98 grams of sulfuric acid. And instead of the volume in liters, we have 25 centimeters cube. How can you do this to express, instead of grams per centimeters cube, we have moles and decimeter cube? Well, actually, you can do it with dimension analysis to pass first, or either one. You can take the grams and pass it to moles. So I know that 1 mole of sulfuric acid is equals to 98 grams of sulfuric acid. And then I get the centimeters cube and I pass it to decimeter cube. So I need centimeters cube to go at the top. I know that 1000 centimeters cube is equals to 1 decimeter cube. When I take my units and I cancel what I can, in this case, grams with grams and centimeter cube with centimeter cube, I basically have the numbers that I have, and the units are going to be moles of sulfuric acid divided by decimeter cube, which are the ones that we want in the molarity expression. So if you do your calculations, those are going to give you exactly the same value, zero point 0.4 moles of hydrochloric acid, I'm sorry, sulfuric acid per decimeter cube, which is the same as zero point 0.4 molar, which is the um, answer that we got before. This is a much simpler way to do it, but in the case that you have very clear what you have to do.